What's the meaning of ass-kicking? Ass-kicking. Ass-kicking.
Ass-kicking. Ass-kicking. The term ass-kicking is colloquialism that describes a defeat or a punishment, often physically delivered. It implies the use of forceful, aggressive action to overcome an opponent or situation. The result of an ass-kicking can range from mild humiliation to serious injury or even death. The term is often used in sports and combat, as well as in general discussions of conflict and power dynamics. However, it should be noted that physical violence is never an appropriate solution to problems, and conflicts should be resolved through peaceful means whenever possible.